We begin the question 3, the small question number 4. Because the simple mean variance is equal to the overall variance divided by the sample size, when the sample size is expanded by 4 times, the expanded sample size is 400. Because the mean variance of the original sample is 2500, the mean variance of the expanded sample is 2500 over 400. The question 5. Section data refers to the observation value of the same characteristic variable reflecting a group of individuals in a population on the section at the same time. It's one of the common types of simple data. In this question, 2016 is the time section, and the annual health expenditure of U.S. state is different classification population. Therefore, the answer to this question should choose the classified section data, that is option C, categorical cross-section data. The question 6, the answer is histogram. Also known as the quality distribution chart, is a statistical report chart A series of longitudinal strips or line segment with different heights represent the data distribution. Generally, the horizontal axis represents the data type and the vertical axis represents the distribution. It's a bar chart. In order to construct the histogram, the first step is to segment the range of values, that is, divide the whole range of values into a series of intervals, and then calculate how many values there are in each interval. These values are usually specified as continuous, non-overlapping various intervals. Intervals must be adjacent and usually of equal size. Obviously, the image given in the title meets the different definition and characteristics of a histogram. So answer is the second option. Question 7. The problem can be eliminated. First of all, the overall variance is required in the title, while option C and option D are simple standard deviation and simple variance, so they can exclude it. Option A is also excluded because it is standard deviation. The problem can also be obtained by using the direct method, which is defined as the second order center distance according to the definition of population variance. The question 8. According to the meaning of the equation, x is a simple random sample, so it's independent and identically distributed. The statistics given in the title are after the standard deviation of a random variable x, so its mean value is 0 and the variance is 1. Because x is independent and identically distributed, it satisfies the condition of the central limit theorem. Therefore, according to the central limit theorem, when n needs to identify, n tends to infinity, the standard statistics approximately obey the standard normal distribution. So the choice is number C, both A and B. The question 9. When we hypothesize testing, we will make 2 mistakes. First, the original hypothesis is correct and we judge it as wrong. Second, the original hypothesis is wrong and we judge it to be correct. We call these 2 kinds of errors as type 1 and type 2 errors. Representatively, the first kind of error, the original assumption is correct, but the original assumption is rejected. The second kind of error, the original assumption is wrong, but it doesn't reject the original assumption. Therefore, according to the definition of the first type of error, when HO is true, we reject HO. And the error we make is the first type of error. Therefore, according to the above analyzed section, we select the answer is number C. HO is rejected when HO is true. The question 10. Because the simple x is independent and identically distributed, each random variable xi in the simple has the same mean and variance. The calculation process, the simple mean variance is as follows. The equation, please see the equation in the image. It's too long and it's hard to read them all. Since the standard deviation of the simple mean is to be calculated in the title, the standard deviation of the simple mean can be obtained by recall the result of the above variance. Therefore, the answer is section C. Question 11. Analyze. The analyze is according to the normal distribution of 3 sigma principle. Numerical distribution is micro minus 3 times sigma and times macro plus 3 sigma. The probability in this is 0.997, and because the mean value in the question is known to be 100, so the macro equals 100. The standard deviation in the title known as to be 16, and the sigma is 16. It can be seen that macro plus 3 sigma equals 100 plus 3 times 16 equals 148. So the choice is number C. The big question is question 4, and the small question is 6. Question 6 in question 4. According to the output result of data, the number of observed value is 49. The average is 0.056, and the standard deviation is 0.014. According to the mean of the question, the overall average is 0.05. According to the experience of t statistics, also the equations, please see the image. It can be calculated that t equals 3, so choose the third option. 2. According to this table, when the significance level is 1%, the corresponding value is 2.58, and the calculated t statistic value is 3, which is greater than 2.58. Therefore, the original hypothesis cannot be rejected, so option C is selected. According to the mean of the question, it's at the significant level of 1%. So the choice is G, 1%.